Railway station conversation. Part 1. Initial inquiry. Sophie approaches the ticket counter where James is seated.
Hi, I'd like to inquire about booking a train ticket to York, please.
Of course, when are you planning to travel?
I'm looking to travel next Monday morning. Do you have any trains available around that time?
Let me check the schedule for you. Are you looking for a specific class or time?
I'm flexible with the class, but I prefer a morning departure.
We have a train leaving at 8 a.m. on Monday. It's a standard class ticket. Would you like more details on this?
Yes, please. How much would that be?
The fare for the ticket is £25.
Great, thank you. I'll check my schedule and get back to you.
Sure, take your time. Let me know if you need any more information.
Part 2. Booking details. Sophie returns to the ticket counter the next day.
Hi again, I'd like to book a ticket for the Monday train to York, please.
Of course. Let's get that booked for you. Could you please provide me with your details?
Sure, here's my ID card and credit card.
Thank you. I'll need your name, date of birth, and contact number as well.
My name is Sophie Brown. Date of birth is the 5th of June 1993, and my contact number is 0789 345 6789.
Great. Thank you. Your ticket is booked. Here's your ticket along with your ID and credit card. Please keep them safe.
Thank you so much, James. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Sophie. Have a pleasant journey.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Part 3. Seat reservation.
Hi, I'd like to inquire about reserving a seat on the train to York.
Of course, I can help you with that. Which train are you booked on?
I'm booked on the 8 a.m. train on Monday.
Let me check the seat availability for you. How many seats would you like to reserve?
Just one seat, please.
I have a window seat available in Coach C. Would that be okay for you?
Yes, that sounds perfect. How much would the reservation cost?
The seat reservation fee is £5.
Great. Please go ahead and reserve the seat for me.
You can collect your seat reservation ticket at the station before your journey.
Okay, thank you.
Part 4. Travel days.
Hi, I'm here to board the 8 a.m. train to York. Here's my ticket and seat reservation.
Thank you. Have a safe journey.